Hey, you're wondering about my lead gen secret, right? You're wondering if it works and if it can make you money. This video is about this. Now, a few months ago, I decided to quit my lead gen secret, even though I had been making profit with this product for nearly 2 years. But I decided that I would just become an affiliate for it and that I would stop being a member, a paid member who could send emails every day. And after a month, I missed it so much that I signed up again. And it started making me even more money than I'd made before. I'm going to share my screen, show you my back office. The results are really exciting. If you're on the fence about joining this, I think this might convince you to go for it. Let's go.
So here we are in my back office in my lead gen secrets. As you can see, this is my affiliate ID. I'll show you my account just so that you know it really is mine. There you go. This is my sign up date, 17th of August 2019, and my name. Okay, so I stopped at the end of August 2020. If we go to the emails I sent, you can see that the last email I sent was on the 20th of August 2021. And then I signed up again mid-October, 17th of October 2021. Okay, so I had nearly 2 months off. And I've been emailing pretty regularly since almost every day since I joined. So these are my results. We're going to go into that. That's the exciting part, right? Now, of course, keep in mind that even though I wasn't a paid member between the end of August and mid-October 2021, of course, I was still making commissions for people who'd signed up, right, with my link, obviously. So, not being an active member of my lead gen secret doesn't mean that you don't get commissions anymore. So I continued to get commissions throughout this time when I wasn't using the mailing system myself. Which means that I'll show you the total of money I've made, right, since joining my lead gen secret. So that's the total, yeah, $1,505, and which is really nice considering I work about 5 minutes on this every day. So now if we go to my results, like in August, as you can see, I was still, making August and September, even though I wasn't actively sending emails, I was still obviously making some commissions. But then in October, things really started to heat up again when I started emailing from the internal mailing system. As you can see, the commissions, so the $5 ones are my new sign-ups. When it's just $5, that's a new sign up. If it's RC and 5, that's people who are signed up and it's their monthly, because you pay $30 a month, so I get $5 a month. But in the new signs up, I've got one here and one here and one here and more. Look at that. One here, one here, one here. Every time they've actually bought the upsell, which is a series of emails that you can buy when you first sign up. So really, I have made a considerable amount of sales from the internal mailing system. And what I'm not telling you either is that I don't systematically promote my lead gen secret from the internal mailing system. I also promote other products that I'm an affiliate for, and I've also made 2 sales of another product that I'm an affiliate for, Legendary Marketer. I actually talk about this in another video that you can check just up here. So as I say, I'm really pleased with these results. I think it's amazing, especially considering it takes me 5 to 10 minutes a day. So there you go. That's what I wanted to share.
So, did you see this? Wasn't that exciting? Now, the main reason why I rejoined my Lead Gen Secret was because I actually missed the practice of writing regular emails. Knowing how to write emails that are going to get the click, right? An email that's going to be opened and then with links that are going to be clicked on and make you sales. That is a real skill to develop. And I found that my Lead Gen Secret was incredibly helpful to me. And I kind of missed it. So I joined again more to practice my email marketing skills and my copywriting skills more than anything else. So again, if you want to join my Lead Gen Secret, my tips for you are always the same. First, email very regularly and consistently. Second, email all your leads every time. Third, rotate your emails. Don't only do pitch emails, right? Send some emails with value so you build a relationship with these leads, even though not that many will open the emails, but those who do open the emails, you want to make sure that you do offer value. Keep them quite short, right? That would be my fourth tip. I occasionally send a really long value email, but generally short and sweet sort of does the trick. And fourth, always include a PS, right? I get quite regular sales from the PS. So I'll make a short email and then I'll put PS. Grow your list fast. And that sends them to my Lead Gen Secret, and that quite regularly gets me a sale. So these are my 5 best tips. If you click the link below and join my Lead Gen Secret using my link, then we'll be in contact and I will share all my other tips, and I will invite you to a Facebook group that will really help you and give you a ton of free resources you can use so that you can have success with my Lead Gen Secret too. I hope this was exciting. I will update again in about a month with my progress. I've always been very transparent about my journey with my Lead Gen Secret. So you're getting my honest results, my honest review, my feedback. And sometimes it's good and sometimes it's not so good, but that's part of the game. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a like. If you enjoy my content on my channel, just subscribe, hit the notification bell. That way you're notified every time I publish a video. If you have any questions about my Lead Gen Secret, make sure you check my Lead Gen Secret playlist. It's full of tutorials and reviews. And if you don't find the answer to your question in these videos, then please post it in a comment below. I will get back to you as soon as I see it. And as usual, thank you so much for watching. And if you enjoyed this video, I think you should go ahead and watch this one next. Bye for now.